Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and I am from usethebitcoin.com, and today we will be having a technical analysis for different sets of coins, okay? But before that, we will review Bitcoin first and we will analyze Bitcoin, okay? Because if Bitcoin will go up, then most of the coin will go up as well. If Bitcoin would go down, then most of the coins will go down as well, okay? Because most of them are just following Bitcoin. But anyways, let's continue and check on Bitcoin, right? So it seems like we are already at the recovery mode for Bitcoin, okay? We are already seeing a green candle here for Bitcoin, okay? And if we are going to zoom out, you could clearly see that we are already at the support levels for Bitcoin, okay? So maybe that is why some of the traders now are slowly getting inside of Bitcoin as well, okay? They are slowly positioning themselves in Bitcoin, okay? But for me, guys, to be honest, I still want Bitcoin to go down even further, okay? Into which areas? Okay, let me turn on my moving average. Okay, so there you go. As what you could see here, we are very near the 100 MA moving average, okay? And to be honest, it's still very early for us to say that we are already at the green side of the market, okay? Because we still have few hours to go before the market will close. So what I would like to happen is to wait for this candle to stay green, okay? I want this candle to close higher compared to the previous one, okay? After 24 hours, this candle should stay green. And after that, then that is a signal for us to buy Bitcoin again. All right, so let us now continue with our next coin. Okay, so we have here AGRS. All right, so this is for AGRS. Okay, so for investment, all right, we will talk about investment first. Do not invest in this coin yet, okay? Because as what you can see, the performance of this coin is not so good, okay? The 20 MA moving average is below the 50 MA moving average, and the 50 MA is below the 100 MA moving average, okay? So that is still signifying that we are still in the bearish trend for this coin, okay? And as of the moment, also we are at the support levels, okay? So please take note of this. Most of the coins now are at the support levels, okay? Just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at the support level, so probably most of the coins that we will be discussing for today's video, they will be at the support levels as well. Let's check on the short-term trades. Okay. Now, if you are planning to trade this coin, okay, for short term, okay, take note, short term. As what you can see, it is also now forming a green candle here. And as what I've mentioned with Bitcoin, I want this candle to close as color green, okay? If it will close to color green, then maybe that is a sign for you to buy this coin, because as what I've said, we are already at the support levels, okay? And let us just say that you bought this coin at these levels. Okay, your cut loss would be at around these areas right here. Okay, let's turn this one to color red, right? And your take profit levels would be at around these areas. Okay, so I'm just setting the realistic take profit levels. Okay, let's turn this one to color blue. Okay, again, wait for it to close in a color green candle. Okay, wait for it to close higher compared to the previous candle. And then put your cut loss at around 3.186. Okay, and your take profit levels would be at around 4.059. Okay, so let's try to measure that. Okay, let's say from these areas. So roughly you will be having like around 18 to 17% gains if it will really continue to go up. Okay. All right, let's check on our next coin. We have NMT. So let's analyze this one for swing trading. As you can see, the candle is still very flat here. Okay, so it seems like it's not moving at all. Okay, so what I want to see is for this candle to close above the previous candle. Okay, I want it to close as color green. Okay. And then that may serve as your buying signal for this coin, because we could also see that the 20 MA moving average is also supporting this coin. Okay, so let's say that you bought this coin and you will take your cut loss here. Okay, let's put a red line and then make your take profit levels at these areas. Okay, so the realistic take profit levels would be at around here. Okay, let's turn that to color green. Or we could adjust the cut loss at around these areas. Okay, so for this coin, you could earn at around Okay, let's measure this. 10 to 9%. But again, for investment, I will not suggest this one for investment. Okay, only for short-term trades. Okay, but again, only buy it when this candle will turn to color green. Okay, let's continue with the next coin, XAI. All right, so we have here Psi. Okay, as what I've mentioned, we are already at the support levels. Same process with most of the coins that I will be mentioning for today. Wait for the candle to close higher compared to the previous one. Okay, it should turn color green. Okay, that will be your signal to buy this coin. Okay, for long-term investment, it's too early for us to suggest this one for long-term. I would only suggest this one for short term, okay? And also try to be cautious about this coin, because if this coin will continue to break lower, it seems like we are going even further to the south, okay? Because we have no extra support levels here. This coin should really stay above these areas. This coin should really maintain its support levels here, because as what I've said, if it will continue to break past these support areas here, then there is a big chance for this coin to continue moving downwards. Let's say that this coin would really bounce back and would really turn green, okay? Your cut loss would be at around here, all right? And your take profit levels would be at around here. Okay, let's turn this to red, and this one is to green. And then let's measure it. So potentially you could earn at around 17 to 20% for this coin, depending on where it closes. Okay, so just sell your position if it reaches these areas, because as you can see, this is the resistance level for this coin. Okay, so it's also smart to sell your position when it reaches that level. Okay, next coin is AI. All right, let's zoom out. So this coin is also looking better. Why did I say that? Although it's also same with XAI. Okay, so as you can see, this is also the last line of support. But the difference with this coin is it is already sitting above the 20 MA moving average. Okay. And this 20 MA moving average could serve as a strong support level for AI. Okay, so as you can see, the previous resistance, this one could turn into its support levels. Okay, so let's hope that this coin could maintain its momentum. Okay, as you can see, this coin is already color green. This coin is very good for swing trading. Okay, if you want to buy this coin, you could buy it if it closes above this red candle here. Okay, let's say that you bought it at the market price. Okay, your cut levels would be at around these areas right here. Okay, we will place a tight cut loss, because as you can see, there are still many things that are happening around crypto. Okay, so we should not be wasting our money. So this one, let's turn this one to green. Okay, so this is our take profit levels. If it will continue to move the way it's moving right now, and if it will continue to close, okay, higher compared to this one, then it's a good opportunity for us to buy this coin. Okay, so this is just good for short-term trading only. Okay, for swing trading only. Okay, let's say that you bought it at its market price, then you might earn at around 21 to 20%. Okay, all right, let's check our next coin. Okay, we have Rose. Right, for long-term investment, this is not ideal yet, okay? Because as you can see, our moving averages are still not in place. The 20 moving average should be on top of the 50. The 50 should be on top of 100, and 100 should be on top of the 200 MA, okay? But unfortunately, we are not seeing that with Rose as of the moment, okay? We are still down, okay? The 20 MA is also serving as a resistance level for Rose, okay? So as you can see, it is trying to go up, but the 20 MA is resisting its price movement, okay? So it is moving below the 20 MA. All right, so for long term, do not trade it yet, okay? For short term, let's see. Again, wait for the candle to close above this red candle here, okay? And your take profit levels, if you're going to buy this one, should be at around here, okay? So this one will be your take profit levels. And then your cut loss would be at around this area right here. Okay, let's change this one to red. Okay, there you go. All right. So again, let's assume that you bought it at its market price. Okay, so potentially you could earn at around 17 to 18%. Sell your position if it reaches these levels, because as you can see, that is also our previous resistance level. Okay, and also we could see here that there is a black line. Okay, this one. Are you following? This line is the 200 MA moving average, and that could also serve as a strong resistance levels for Rose. All right, so that is it for Rose. Next coin, let's check that one. We have Rare. All right, for long term, this is a big no. Okay, so do not invest in this coin yet. So for swing, it's just the same with our previous coin. Okay, so it is also following the 20 MA moving average. Okay, as what you can see here, the 20 MA is serving as the resistance level for this coin. Okay, so this one is also signifying that we are still in the bear trend. But if you're really insisting on buying this coin, then you could have it like this one. Okay, so let's say that this is the support levels. All right, so just place your cut loss at around these areas. Okay, and then your take profit levels would be at around here. Okay, let's adjust our stop loss. Okay, so around these area, and let's measure your potential gain. Okay, so you will be having at around 5 to 6%. Now the question is the 5 or 6% worth it? I guess it's not. For me, I don't want to trade this coin yet. Okay, so let's move now to our next coin. We have HFT. For long term, it's also not good for long term. Okay, let's continue with swing trading. Let's check. Right, now this is for swing trading. It broke past its 20 MA moving average, and now it is sitting also above the 20 MA moving average. Okay, and that could potentially serve as a strong support levels. And as what you could also see here, it is now color green. Let's hope that this candle could close above this red candle here. Then that could be a signal for us to buy this coin for short term. Okay, so let's say you will be buying this coin. Okay, just put your cut loss at around these areas here. Okay, place a tight cut loss for that, and your take profit levels would be at around these areas or these areas. Okay, let's turn this one to green. Okay, there you go. All right, so let's measure our potential gains. Okay, so we could gain at around 5% for this one, or we could gain at around 15 to 16% with this one. Okay, so again, this coin has a good potential for swing trading. Okay, so just wait for this one to close above the previous candle. Next, we have FIL, right? Same process. This coin is not for long term. This coin is not for investment. Now, for swing trading, let's analyze. It is also below the 20 MA moving average, which is not a good sign. Okay, although it is already at the support levels right here, but I would not suggest you guys to trade with this coin yet, because the selling pressure is still quite strong for this coin. So if you're planning to really enter this coin, this is the best thing that you could do. Just place your cut loss at around this area. Okay, turn that to red, and then your take profit levels would be at around here. Okay, because it is still following the 20 MA moving average. Okay, let's turn this one to color green. Okay, and let's measure your potential gains. Okay, for this one, you will just be earning at around 4 to 5%. Okay, but again, the risk of this coin is still greater compared to the potential of getting rewards. So I would highly pass this one for swing trading. I would also pass this one for investing. And lastly, we have JUP. Right, now actually this coin is on my list. As you can see, it is now higher compared to where it started. And also, if you're going to check on the trend of this coin, okay, as you can see, it broke out of its downtrend here, and it is now slowly making its move here to the support levels or to the 20 MA moving average. Okay, we are also seeing a momentum here for this coin. It is trying to go up higher compared to the previous one. So let's hope that this coin could close above the 20 MA moving average. Okay, the color green line that we could see here. Okay, I'm hoping that this coin would close above this one. Then if it does, then I will be buying this coin as well. Okay, I'm planning to invest on this coin. But for short-term trades, you could also do that one. Okay, so just place your cut loss here. Okay, place your cut loss there. And then your take profit levels would be at around these areas. Okay, so let's change this one. All right, so your potential gains could be at around 10 to 12%. Okay, so this is for Jupiter. All right, so that's it for now. Let's go back to Bitcoin. All right, so as of the moment, Bitcoin is still green, and let's hope that Bitcoin could maintain that momentum. So that's it for now. Thank you so much again for watching. So if you want to have the freshest crypto news and the freshest crypto update, so be sure to subscribe to our channel, okay? And subscribe to our newsletter as well. The link is in the description below. See you guys next time. Have a great day. Peace out.